Yo, what's going on, my heroes, my villains, my fellow card collectors, and everybody else on YouTube? It's your bromie, the girl, back at it again with another hero video, up and away. So, as we come closer to receiving our pre-ordered cards and running into these Walmarts and comic stores, I think it's important that we start to familiarize ourselves with how to protect our cards as we start ripping open these packs. So I took a couple snippets from my Hero Talk sessions. If you haven't seen those, by the way, check them out. They're pretty cool and informative. But I'm gonna let my man's Kobe Collects explain to you guys how to protect your NFT hybrid, hero trading cards. He's a master card collector, and I think we could all learn a thing or two from him. So, without further ado, let's breeze into it.
So, something I want to tap into while we have Kobe here on stream, because he is super experienced with cards. How we mentioned before that there's going to be people who are interested in getting physicals if they were to purchase the digital. So, if you were to list your digital and then sell it, you should keep your card in good condition. Kobe, how should we, if we want to do something like that, what's the best way to protect our cards?
So in terms of just like right out of the pack?
Yeah.
So right out of the pack, without a doubt, this method right here, like without a doubt. And it is for multiple different reasons. Am I frozen on your screen too?
Yeah, you frozen up. Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Just
Let me
give
try
it a
to plug
second.
right into the computer.
That's it. Oh, there we go. Nice.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
There you go. Got you.
So without a doubt, I might have to plug right in so it's not
There we go.
But just a penny sleeve, okay? So
all right.
I've linked all these if you guys want. But you just have to search penny sleeve on anywhere, Amazon or whatever. And then this all day over top loaders. You don't want to use top loaders.
Okay.
For multiple different reasons. But card savers, we talked about it a few times. If I drop a card, it's not going to fall out of it. I'll put that in here and drop it. Show you guys. But
yeah, I was going to say, can you
it's
show us
also
what it looks like inside?
Yeah, you can see you can see it inside as well. Your corners are not going to get hit if I drop the card. You know what I mean? Bounce it all day. It's not going to fall out of the top either. So top loaders, that's the biggest problem. And they're not recommended and used to not even be accepted by grading companies. So you don't want to annoy the people grading your cards because they're going to put, potentially extra thousands on here or make you lose a couple thousand on it. So card savers over top loaders. Top loaders, still fine for other things, but once you send your cards out to grade, it'll be all like this, and then I put them in something like this.
Oh.
So we got bam, and then I got these are actually Marvel cards from the 90s. We got a ton of them in here. There might be some Pokemon stacked in there too, but we got these are all from the 90s. They're all pretty mint.
Damn.
Yeah, that's fly.
And then the little tab here is, a little bit of extra nice points with people grading your cards. They can just slide it right out, and it might make their day a little bit easier. They might give you a little bit of a better grade because of it, right? So, card savers, little tab if you want to go the extra mile, and then I can just bam drop this. Don't have to worry about it.
Mm-hmm.
So we just search card saver.
Yeah, I have some linked on my Twitter. I pinned it of the brands that I use and like the cheapest ones that I found on Amazon. They're all plastic at the end of the day. So if you have like a supplier,
and you have all the cards in what, like a little storage container, and how many fit in there?
So you can put them in like one of these boxes here. You can also put them in tins and stuff. I'll show you one more of that. Like this guy here. Just a little tin.
Okay.
And if I show you guys what's in here,
you got
a whole lot of this red guy.
Oh my goodness. What was that?
A whole lot of the red guy.
Was it Bulbasaur?
Yeah, there's tons of him. Probably have
He said Bulbasaur.
But these are top loaders, so these, if I flip them over, I'm probably gonna have to worry about them a little bit. But you can put them in card savers, and then they fit pretty perfectly in these tins. So drop them like that, and then you can put a little lid on them and stuff. I have tons of these, like in the thousands. So if anybody, I'll post some. I'll help you guys out if you're looking for them. There's also like any box will do really. You just want to put them in card savers and then put them in the box.
Kobe with the Mad Flex.
What you doing,
Oh,
Kobe?
look, this is the mini raptor.
Oh,
Wow.
Is it gonna fly if you don't do that?
I think he's chilling right now. So this is the male one. So this is the one that keeps making that crowing sound. It's like because it's like trying to find a female one, but he's like pretty calm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
So
I hatched him from an egg I got on eBay.
FA pet from K.
Yeah, it is FA.
I feel like I need to go get my dog now.
I'm gonna show my cat so he can go crazy.
Civilians.
You want to answer that real quick, Kobe?
what's that?
On screen.
Oh, question for Kobe. No, don't wear gloves when you're opening these. So gloves, you'll never see pack breaking channels, ones that open tons of packs, ever use gloves. With gloves, you don't know how much pressure you're putting on it. Like right now, I have dexterity. I'm barely touching this, but you guys might see might look like I'm pressing on it, or I'm barely touching it. You know, I feel like a little wind would probably drop it away. So gloves make you lose that dexterity that you might have, and you might actually do some damage to these. So wash your hands, open your cards, put them in sleeves, put them in card savers. Yeah, you'll see like high-end sport card openings where they'll wear gloves and stuff. It only makes sense for high-end sport openings because the case itself, you don't want fingerprints on it and things like that. We can still rub it off right after. But the cards themselves, just wash your hands, open them, sleeve them, and just be careful with them. But gloves are counterproductive.
That's a good question.
Yeah, that's a good answer. I didn't know that.
So we are on Kobe Collect's Twitter page at the moment, and his pinned tweet has his recommended, supplies for protecting your cards and stuff. So let's click on that and see what shows up. So we have card sleeves. We will see his recommended linked directly to the Amazon. You could check that out and stuff. Let's go back. We got card savers, 200 count. So that's if you got a whole bunch of cards coming to you, you might want to get that one. And then we got graded card sleeves. Ooh, fancy. So yeah, man. 5 left. Okay. So basically, just come on over to Kobe Collects, give him a follow, and check out his recommended supplies if you don't know what you're doing already. And with that, let us move on. And that's the video, my friends. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. And if you learned something or enjoyed the content, feel free to drop a like on the video and consider subscribing for more for more hero content like this. So yeah, hopefully you learned something in that video. Kobe Collects is very wise. He's been collecting cards for a while. Give his YouTube channel a subscribe as well. I'm gonna link both his Twitter and YouTube into this description of this video. But yeah, man, I gotta buy some of these card savers myself pretty soon. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna pull some good cards here and there, so that will be wise for me to do. And with that being said, I am not a financial advisor. Nothing you've heard in this video is financial advice because we are learning just like you. I'm just your friendly neighborhood genius. Sharing his thoughts and opinions on this amazing app known as Hero. So take everything that you hear from me with a grain of salt because things could change. And with that, if you would like to follow me on the Hero app, my username is right there on the screen. Feel free to add Jabroni, and I will do my best to add you back if you leave your name in the comments. And with that, thank you again for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Until then, peace out and huddle strong, and remember that not all heroes wear capes. Later.